Welcome to Dust. In this video, I will show a few of my most frequently used MCP actions. Specifically, I will demonstrate our available GitHub and Notion tools. We will start this video by demonstrating example interactions with an agent that utilizes these tools. We will then dive into how the agent was built. In this example, my goal is to create a new operational runbook for our engineering team. I want to provide the team with a guide on how to create new MCP servers based on existing examples. I want this runbook stored in our team engineering Notion page for future reference by both the team and other Dust agents. I will begin by prompting the engineering runbook writer, please help me create a step-by-step runbook for creating new MCP servers using our existing GitHub and Notion implementations as examples. We can now see that the agent has responded. If we look at the breakdown of the tools used, we can see that the agent queried GitHub pull requests, searched our Notion engineering documents, and then created a new Notion page. If we look at the agent response, we can see the fully generated runbook. Finally, if we scroll to the bottom, we can find a link to the Notion page generated. As a next step, let's validate the content of that Notion page. Looking at the generated Notion page, we can see the full runbook, including sections for architecture and design, code structure, and implementation steps. Now that we've seen the agent in action, let's dive into the details of how this agent was built. To start, I will show the admin page for tools. In Dust, a tool is a specific function you can add to an agent during configuration. This example used two sets of Dust tools that represent internal MCP servers. The GitHub tools, which include actions to read and write both GitHub issues and pull requests, and the Notion tools, which include actions to read and write Notion text content and databases. Moving on to the configuration of the agent, we are now in the agent builder view, which has three primary components. One, instructions, that defines the role of the agent, steps to take to generate the runbook, and the runbook format. Two, the agent has access to both the Notion and GitHub tools viewed previously. It also has access to semantically search our Notion engineering folder. Three, the agent is provided a name and permission configurations. As a recap, we have now seen how to configure an agent to use Dust tools in a conversation. Thank you for watching.